Ano ba mga kabalen? Welcome to Hiway, Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, if you're looking for a place to dine and play sa isang lugar lang, this video is for you.
Grabe, Sir Mark, gusto ko yung sinabi mo, dine and play.
Yes.
Guys, if you wanna know more about where are we right now, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Ayun guys, let's have a quick tour dito po sa bagong bukas the arcade pub dito sa Angeles City. This is previously yung With Here Arcade. So sa taas po is yung With Kids Cafe, which is really popular sa mga, of course, kids and parents. Now this time, this is the parang chill place. So still, we have the video games available for your pleasure, mga claw games. Now this is the place, napakaganda, Instagrammable. It's I think it's a little bit luxurious in terms of the design.
If you want to relax, chill, ito yung mga pupuntahan mo.
Alright. So, syempre, kapag nagre-relax and chill ka, hindi mawawala dyan yung pagkain.
Yes,
so, good thing, even if this is a pub, meron pa rin tayong pagkain fit for family, for barkada. So, let's mention one by one kung ano ba yung mga inhindahan para sa atin.
So, on our table, ito yung mga hinanda nila sa atin. Siyempre, meron tayong bulgogi pizza, creamy garlic chicken, meron din tayong meatball pasta, okonomiyaki, which is ito yun. Since pub to, meron din tayong mga finger food na french fries and onion rings. If kayo naman naghahanap ng mga sabaw, meron din tayong bulalo. Yan. So, since kamsa tayong kumain, try na natin maglaro.
Alright. Laro tayo.
Uy! Sayang.
Loser. So, there you have it, guys. Another place for you to check out. Once again, thank you so much, 1988 Arcade Pub, for inviting us. Grabe. This is an upgrade, a development from our previous visit, bro. Speaking of from family, napakalawak po ng kanilang mga food choices.
Yes, if you want to go here dito sa may 1988 Arcade Pub, located lang ito sa Fil-am Hiway, Barangay Kuayan, Angeles City. And they are open from Monday to Thursday from 4 p.m. to 5 a.m.
Yes.
And for weekends naman, they are starting from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yun, ang pinaka-landmark dito ay yung With Kids Cafe.
Yes, yeah.
So there have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, if you like the activity that you saw in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.